Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a game-changing tool that's about to revolutionize your video creation process. We're talking about the RocketVideos AI Bundle. If you've ever struggled with creating professional-grade videos, or simply wanted to streamline your workflow, you're going to want to stick around. Look at this. From AI-generated characters to stunning voiceovers and cinematic transitions, RocketVideos AI puts the power of a Hollywood studio right at your fingertips. And get this, they're offering a massive 60% discount on their bundle, plus, I have a special coupon code for you, Rocket40 for an additional $40 off. But this is time-sensitive, so don't miss out. Let's break down what you're actually getting. First up, the RocketVideos commercial license. This isn't just for personal use, you can create and sell videos to clients and keep 100% of the profits. Imagine turning your video creation skills into a lucrative business. The plain words to video storyboard feature is incredible. Just type in your concept and AI generates a detailed storyboard, eliminating the need for manual sketching. And how about the character design engine? You can create unique, customizable characters with control over everything from age and ethnicity to appearance and style. Plus, the AI ensures consistent characters throughout your entire video. Need to turn static images into dynamic videos? RocketVideos AI does that too. And the AI object find and replace and object removal tools are just mind-blowing. Clean up your footage like a pro, all with a few clicks. Now let's talk about voiceovers. With over 300 human-sounding voice actors and support for over 90 languages, your videos will sound professional and engaging. And the audio library? Over 1,000 sound effects and 2,000 royalty-free music tracks. Editing is a breeze with the full-fledged timeline editor, cinematic transition presets, and animated subtitle styles. You can even control camera movement and adjust lighting and surroundings with AI precision. But that's not all. The bundle includes some incredible upgrades. RocketVideos Elite gives you unlimited video projects, social scheduling, and 25,000 AI credits. RocketVideos Pro adds Hollywood-class voice actors, stock video integration, and team collaboration features. And then there's Rocket Studio, with AI image-to-video generation, consistent character creation, and powerful image editing tools. Plus, Rocket Voices lets you clone voices in more than 15 languages with just 15 seconds of sample audio. Finally, the RocketVideos white label option. This is huge. You can start your own AI video agency by selling up to 25 white label licenses, all under your own branding. This alone is worth the investment. Let's recap. You're getting RocketVideos Commercial, Elite, Pro, Studio, Voices, and White Label, all for a one-time payment of just $497 after a 60% discount. And remember that coupon code ROCKET40 for an additional $40 off. And to top it all off, RocketVideos AI comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. You have absolutely nothing to lose. But remember, this is a limited-time offer. The price will increase, so act now. Click the link in the description to grab this incredible deal. Don't forget to use the coupon code ROCKET40 for that extra discount. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.